In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ClickUp on PC. We'll walk through the exact clicks so you can quickly get the desktop app onto your Windows computer. Before we start, make sure you have a stable internet connection and a web browser open. First, head to the official ClickUp website. In your browser's address bar, type clickup.com and press enter. This takes you to ClickUp's homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access the in-app menu we'll use in a moment. Once you're in ClickUp, look to the top right corner of the page and click the profile icon. This opens a small menu with account-related options. From this menu, choose Download ClickUp. That link leads to the Downloads section where ClickUp offers installers for different operating systems. On the Downloads page, find the option labeled Download for Windows. Click that button. You may see a quick confirmation or security prompt from your browser. When the site asks what to do with the file, click Download to begin fetching the installer. Next, your browser may ask you where you want to save the file. Choose a location you can easily find later, such as the Downloads folder or your desktop. Naming and location are up to you, but picking a familiar spot helps avoid hunting for the installer. With your folder selected, click Save. The file will start downloading immediately. In most browsers, you can see progress at the bottom of the window or in the Downloads panel. If your browser is set to save files automatically, it will likely place the installer in your default Downloads folder without popping up a location box. That's it for the download itself. To keep everything tidy, consider leaving the installer in a place you recognize in case you want to share it with teammates or move it to another device later. If you have limited storage, remember to delete older versions after you install to free up space. Once the download finishes, you're ready for the next step, which is installation. We'll cover the installation process in a separate video, but for now, you've successfully downloaded the ClickUp desktop app for Windows. If something didn't appear as shown, like the profile icon or the download button, refresh the page, ensure you're signed in, and try again. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your streamlined workflow with ClickUp on your PC.